Hello everyone. Today we'll be learning about Class 7 Geography Life in Desert. In this chapter we'll be learning about amount of water available in deserts, its vegetation such as grasses and trees, and we'll be also learning about that some deserts are hot as fire whereas some are cold as ice. So let us first understand the meaning of desert. Desert is basically an arid region characterized by extremely high or low temperatures and scarce vegetation. Here we can see that the rainfall is very low and the vegetation is scanty and sparse and the temperature is extreme. So, desert found in the world is categorized into two types: hot desert and cold desert. First, we'll be discussing about hot desert Sahara. Sahara Desert is located in North Africa. It is the world's largest desert that covers the area of 8.54 million square kilometers. It touches 11 countries of Africa, namely Algeria, Chad, Morocco, Egypt, Libya, Mali, Mauritania, Niger, Sudan, Tunisia, and Western Sahara. While it is a vast stretch of land, moreover, Sahara Desert is covered with gravel plain and elevated plateaus with bare rocky surface. The rocky surface may be more than 2500 meter high at some places. Now the climate: Algeria is the Sahara in the Sahara Desert, south pole of Tripoli, Libya recorded temperature of 57.7 degrees Celsius in 1922. The climate of Sahara Desert is scorching hot and parched dry. It receives very short rainy season and the sky is most of the time cloudless and clear. The temperature during the day may soar as high as 15 degrees Celsius. The night may be freezing cold with temperature nearing 0 degree. The people in Sahara Desert, there we can see that normally the nomadic tribe who are the natives of Sahara Desert can be categorized into two tribal groups: its Bedouins and Tuaregs, rearing livestock such as goats, sheep, camel, and horses. These animals provide them milk, hides, and hair. Hides are used to make leather for belt, slipper, and water bottles, while hair is used to make mat, carpet, clothes, and blanket. They wear heavy robes as protection against dust storms and hot winds. Now, settlement. The settlement of people can be seen around the oasis in Sahara Desert and near Nile Valley in Egypt. The crop that they grow, such as rice, wheat, barley, and beans. People also grow date palm. Egyptian cotton is a worldwide famous, which is specially grown in Egypt. Now, the cold desert Ladakh. It's located in the Greater Himalayas on the eastern side of Jammu and Kashmir. The Karakoram Range in the north and the Zanskar Mountain in the south encloses it. Indus is the most important river among several rivers that flow through Ladakh. The river forms deep valley and gorges. Several glaciers, example Gangri Glacier, is also located in the region. Climate: Madras, one of the coldest inhabited place on the earth, is located in Ladakh. Here, the altitude varies from about 3000 meter in Kargil to more than 8,000 meters in Karakoram. Due to its high altitude, the temperature here is extremely cold and dry. Temperature in summer are just above 0 degree and at night the temperature well it is below minus 30 degrees Celsius. It is freezing cold in winters when the temperature may remain below minus 40 degrees Celsius, and this region as it falls under the rain shadow of mountains, so it receives very less rainfall, which is as minimum as 10 centimeter every year. The area experiences freezing winds and burning hot sunlight at the same time. Now, flora. So, here in this region, we can see that there are scanty patches of grasses and shrubs for animals to graze. Now, groves of willow and poplars are seen in the valley. During the summer, fruit trees such as apple, apricot, and walnut blooms here. Now about fauna, here we can see some birds in Ladakh such as robin, redstart, Tibetan snowcock, raven, and hoopie. Now animals of Ladakh are wild goat, wild sheep, yak, and special kind of dogs. They are reared to provide for the milk, meat, and hides. Yak milk is basically good for cheese and butter, while hair of sheep and goat are used for making woolens. Women are very hard working in the region. They work not only in the houses and fields but also they manage small business and shop. Now what they grow? So in summer people cultivate barley, potatoes, peas, beans and turnip. The climate in winter is so harsh that people keep themselves engaged in festivities, ceremonies. Now, tourism is one of the major occupations of the people living in Ladakh. Tourists visit to the compass, treks to the sea to see the meadows and glaciers. Witnessing ceremonies and festivities are important activities in the region. Life of the people is undergoing modernization, but the people of Ladakh have over the centuries learned to live in the balance and harmony with the nature. That's all. Thank you.